Crude oil breaks through support. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The crude oil market in early Tuesday trading has fallen, and a lot of this comes down to the idea of demand falling quite drastically. You can see that the West Texas Intermediate crude oil market has broken through the $71.50 level, showing signs of significant weakness. That being said, I do think that the $70 level will probably offer a bit of support, so it'll be interesting to see how that plays out. The market breaking down below $70 would be very negative indeed, and at that point, I think you really start to see this thing fall apart. On the other hand, if we can turn around and break back above the $72.50 level, then you have a real shot of the market taking off to the upside and going much higher, perhaps reaching the $73.50 level. The Brent market looks very much the same. We are now below the $75 level, and I think you've got a situation that we probably at this point in time might be looking at $72.50 for some type of support. All things being equal, this is a market that I think continues to be noisy and very difficult to really jump in and try to buy after this recent breakdown. But I do think the downside is somewhat limited due to the fact that the market, of course, eventually runs into a scenario where it just gets too cheap. There is a lot of concern right now about demand, and it looks like Chinese demand is slowing. So that really has sent the market reeling to the downside during the session. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.